Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be looking at a favorite breakfast recipe of mine, and this is cornmeal porridge. As a child, I wasn't really a fan of porridges any at all. I didn't like oats porridge. I would just barely have some cornmeal porridge. I didn't like the rice one either, but I tried my best to have it when it was provided. However, we all know that porridge is like a super meal. Right? Porridges are packed with whole grains and they are sources of nutrients such as protein, fiber, vitamin E, and vitamin B. It's also packed with zinc and antioxidants and phytochemicals. So basically, all in all, porridges are just this super meal filled with nutrients, which is good for helping to keep us healthy. Look at the ingredients that we will be using today for our favorite breakfast meal, which is cornmeal porridge. So you need to get a cup of cornmeal. You have to remember, some persons choose to soak their cornmeal in cold water, but it's not really necessary. You can choose to just put the pot on the fire with the cold water and add your cornmeal and mix it in. Keep your fire at a very low flame and then stir constantly to prevent it becoming clogged or as lumpy, basically. So you need some water, you're going to need some milk, you're going to need some tin milk, you're going to need some nutmeg, you're going to need some sugar if you like, some cinnamon would be good, and then basically some vanilla extract would also be good for this meal. Earlier, you're going to put your clean pot on the fire, going to keep it at low flame, you're going to mix in your cornmeal into that mixture, you're going to add your cinnamon, whether it's cinnamon powder, you stir it in, or for you, I would prefer if you were to get cinnamon leaves or cinnamon sticks and add to it. Basically, just stir it, add some salt, and don't cover it totally, just leave a little space at the top so it doesn't boil over, and give it 10 to 15 minutes. Add in your vanilla, add in more cinnamon if you need, add a little more nutmeg, cover it again, add more water if you need, because sometimes what happens in cornmeal porridge is that the water evaporates. All depends on how much and the size of the pot that you're using. So basically you want to add some more water to it, mix it so that it gets evened out across in the pot, and then your meal is basically almost ready to be served. So what I would recommend for you is to get some condensed milk if you'd like, and stir this into it. Basically, if you want some sugar, maybe some sugar will enhance the taste for you. Maybe you want to add a little bit more salt, and then basically your meal is ready to be served. Cornmeal meals are quick and easy. So basically, you're gonna serve this with some bread. Children would, as a child, I loved having this with bread. Or if it was fritters served with it, I would enjoy it. Or some fried dumplings, I would also enjoy that. You can choose to treat your porridge as a cereal, and you can add your fruits. You can add your ripe bananas, you can add strawberries, whatever you would like to add to it. You can add some nuts, you can add almonds, peanuts, whatever you want to add to enhance the flavor and the taste of your porridge. Some persons basically just pinch off their bread and just decorate the porridge. That's what I used to do, and just use my spoon to scoop it up and put it in my mouth, and it was just delicious. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go and try to make some cornmeal porridge today. It is just delicious. Thanks for watching.